let's discuss the human digestive system in a very simple manner. When the food reaches the mouth, the parotid gland secretes salivary amylase. The sublingual and submandibular glands secretes salivary amylase plus mucus. The food gets mixed with these liquids and it forms a bolus. After it forms the bolus, it enters the stomach through esophagus. The stomach contains gastric glands. The gastric glands are visible here. These gastric glands, they release gastric juice. When the food comes in contact with the gastric juice, it gets broken down into pieces. The gastric juice contains inactive enzyme pepsinogen that gets activated when it comes in contact with the HCl, which is present in the gastric juice. After coming in contact with the HCl, it gets activated and then it breaks down the proteins present in the food. The food leaves the stomach by forming chyme. As soon as it enters the small intestine, the gallbladder which is visible here, it releases the bile juice and the pancreas releases the pancreatic juice. After the food reaches the small intestine, the first part of small intestine, the small intestine releases some mucus-like substance which contains bicarbonate. The bicarbonate neutralizes the acid which was present in the food when it gets acted upon by gastric juice. So that acid is neutralized by the bicarbonate released by the small intestine. Now the food reaches the next part of small intestine. Here, if the food contains any carbohydrates, any amino acids or fatty acids, these important substances get absorbed by the small intestine and then they are sent to the bloodstream so that they can be passed to the rest of the body. After that, the vitamin B12 and bile acids also gets absorbed by the small intestine. After this, the food reaches the large intestine. The large intestine absorbs the water and the unabsorbed food goes out of the body through anus. Thank you so much.